Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are making home style momos. And for making the home style momos, in fact we are using 4 kinds of sabjis, which is capsicum, cabbage, cauliflower and carrot. So let's do this. Let's make our home style momos. And what we've done is, as a first step, we have taken the sabji and we have mixed it in a grinder, and then we have stir fried it. So guys, this is how we are making the momo base. So easy does it. You can make it in various shapes and sizes. This is the modak style momos. So guys, this is an India jugaad. As you can see, this is actually an Indian tray. We took out the extra and we are putting it into the size which this container can hold. Perhaps we need to put some ghee or butter. So we are boiling some water in a container. So guys, as you're seeing, we are steaming the momos right now, and let's see how it goes. There you see the steam has built up, and hopefully the momos will come up real fine.
Wedge steamed momos are ready. So, time to take it out.
Guys, this is the final product. We have made totally desi Indian momos at home in just a few minutes. So this is the green chili sauce, and that is the momo sauce which we got from the market. And in case you do not have momo sauce, you can also use capsicum. Okay, so the time is just right. The momos are hot, and let's try and taste it. Oh man, this is really hot. Too good. I really love the cooking. 3 cheers. Guys, stay tuned to the channel. We'll keep on bringing great dishes, and thumbs up. This is really tasty. I hope you make this at your home.